Alright, guys. So we've taken a quick pit stop to have a lunch. Take a look at this view from where I'm sitting. Damn.
Alright, good morning, beautiful people. It's day 2 of our late trip. What a beautiful, beautiful morning. Boss, last night I was in two minds if I should be going for this ride or not. Because last night my heartbeat was very fast. एकदम तेजी से धड़क रहा था. And my head was paining. I don't know if it is because I took Dimox at night, I took a Neprosin for my headache, and I took a Vomiford because मेरे को ऐसा vomiting जैसा sensation हो रहा था. तो I don't know if it is because of that. But one advice I will give you guys: when you come to Leh, don't overeat. You may feel like you want to eat, but don't overeat. Trust me, आपका digestion नहीं होगा, and try to stick to vegetarian food. Because it's very important that your food is digested. मेरा खाना digest नहीं हुआ. मैंने खाया chicken noodles and chili chicken. So then I had a huge problem. खाना digest नहीं हुआ, vomiting जैसा लग रहा था. So don't make that mistake that I did. तो आज का प्लान कुछ ऐसा है guys कि हम लोग करेंगे अभी breakfast के बाद we will just check out all the bikes. Like I said, I've upgraded to the Himalayan 450. I will take a walk around of the bike, take all pictures necessary, because it seems if the bike is damaged and when we are returning it, so they will deduct the money from the 5,000 deposit that we are giving. So it's better that you take a walk around of the bike. I'm all geared up. इसके ऊपर मैं एक पहनूंगा. I will be wearing another jacket, like a Adidas ka jacket, and on top of that I'll be wearing a riding jacket. I'm wearing my Tarmax ka riding pants which I bought from Bombay, and I'm wearing Gadsil riding boots. Safety wise I'm pretty sorted. I have my own helmet I got from Bombay, तो उसमें भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. How do you like this t-shirt from Tivra? वेदर एकदम मौसम एकदम बढ़िया है, एकदम बढ़िया वेदर है. लेट्स सी व्हेन वील राइड हाउ द वेदर चेंजेस. यहाँ पे बोलते हैं कि ले का मौसम और लड़की का दिमाग कभी स्टेबल नहीं होता है, चेंज होते रहता है. दैट्स सो ट्रू. आई सी द बाइक्स आर देयर. दैट्स द हिमालयन 411 which has come in. The 450s are already parked on that side. So the only thing missing now after wearing all this, I'll be wearing a safety belt, a back belt. वो पहनूंगा मैं. Riding gloves है. We all geared up. So Sham Valley is about 80 kilometers. जाकर आएंगे. Then we'll go for river rafting. I'm in two minds if I want to do river rafting or not, because पानी बहुत ठंडा होने वाला है. But they're going to give the wetsuit. ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि ज़्यादा ठंडा नहीं लगेगा. It's only on this part where you'll feel a little bit cold. I'm super excited guys, super excited. I can't tell you. मतलब बॉस मैं रुका हूँ. I just want to I'm waiting for the time that I will reach Umlingla. I mean of course Khardungla, Kargil, ये सब मुझे जगह जाने हैं. Umlingla is my main destination. And also we are going to go to the Star Observatory location where you can see the Milky Way. I'm excited guys, I'm excited. Finally जब बोलते ना जो ड्रीम कम ट्रू है वो आ जाए. I may probably cry when I reach Umlingla because I am very emotional that way. तो मैं 100% मुझे लगता है कि I will cry over there. So this is the Himalayan 411, the BS6 version. So it's got the navigator also. I'm not taking this. Earlier I was going to take this, but I've shifted to the Himalayan 450. Bikes are looking killer. This is the much older version. This does not have the navigator. Wow. This one is looking good. This one is looking killer. Sexy. Wow. So we have the Hilux, which is going to come as a backup vehicle for us. Fuck, this is looking insane. Killer. Mind blowing. Looking awesome. All the helmets are over here. Additional helmets, those who require. I got my own. But damn, this freaking car is looking amazing. Yeah, I love this. Next level it is looking. Alright, so we are all geared up and we are all set to go. All the riders are checking their bikes, taking a few pictures. Everyone's ready. This is going to be my ride, the Himalayan 450.
फोर्थ बाइक कौन सा है? फोर्थ बाइक कौन सा?
आपको बाइक नहीं मिला?
एक आपने मेरे को वो बोला, यहाँ पे 3 लोग आ रहे हैं.
So the most important thing that I've done is that I've put the gel seat over here. I got this from Bombay because without this I won't be able to ride. The gel seat for me is a must. This is the Grand Pit Stop gel seat, and I'm over here on a bike trip with thrillaffiliate.com group. We're about 16 bikes and we're all set to go already. Yeah! All right, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Good power on the first gear at least. Bike is feeling good. Woohoo! Wow, look at that sumo monastery up there. I don't know if my DJI is capturing it. So we'll fill up the fuel first. This is going to take some time. So we are in Leh and this is the war memorial. Look at all the mountains out there. Oh my god, this is unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Next level. Jeep. It's got the cannons also.
आप देखो ना आज पैरासिटामोल है यार, पैरासिटामोल.
So we are at the Hall of Fame in Leh.
सच में तेरे को ये नहीं पता था कि करगिल लगा.
We have Mr. Pawan over here. He's come all the way from Hyderabad for the ride. He's come with his wife. Superb. That's Varuni. So they have come over here for the trip. So this is the ticket that you get for the Hall of Fame Museum. So debit card is not accepted. Debit card is only accepted. UPI and cash is not accepted. Right, so we are at the Shaurya Sthal. Inside over there, they have all the museum where you have the guns and all which were captured during the Pakistan war and everything. But they're not allowing me to take any video footage over there. So unfortunately, I can't show anything inside.
Guys, just take a look at the view, man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Next level. Oh my god. अलग लेवल भाई साहब, अलग लेवल है ये. Roads also very good. Superb roads. Tomorrow when we are going from Leh to Nubra Valley, that is the time we'll get a little bit of off-road. Superb view यार, क्या गजब. You have to come to Leh man to experience this यार. मैंने तो अपना ड्रीम फुलफिल कर लिया बॉस. बुलंद दरवाज़ा. क्या व्यू है यार, क्या व्यू है. ओ माय गॉड, लुक एट दैट ब्यूटीफुल व्यू अहेड. नेक्स्ट लेवल है. Just take a look at that, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Always wanted to come for a bike ride to Leh, man. So far, thrillaffiliate.com, who is the organizer for this tour, I've done a brilliant job. The bike, what I'm riding, the Himalayan 450, is superb. Good condition. Gear shifting is very smooth. Braking is good. I'm loving the bike. मज़ा आ रहा है ये बाइक चलाने में. So we have just taken a stop. The marshal is making some payment. I think to cross this you have to make some payment. But man, wow. Super feeling, super feeling. If you haven't come to Leh Ladakh for a ride, then I would highly recommend you first to come with thrillaffiliate.com. They haven't paid me to say this. I'm just saying that experience what I've had so far, from the time that I booked my tour to the time that I landed at the airport, everything, the communication was very smooth. When I reached the airport, there was a person waiting for me to receive me at the airport, took me to the hotel. So everything is very smooth. Bikes were handed on time, and good bikes are in a good condition. Good condition. So I would, if you have not come to Leh Ladakh, then I would recommend you to come with a group so that you can adjust, and because you don't know the terrains over here, what all passes are required. And the best part is that they give you riding jackets. They give you on a rent for 300 rupees, in which you'll get a glove and you'll get the knee guards and you'll get the helmet as well. So that is a good thing. However, I got my riding gloves. This is the Exor that I got online before I came for this trip. I got my Tarmac riding pants. I got my Gatsil boots. Yeah. So all this I got from and my helmet. I got this because this has my action camera mount. If I would have got the helmet over here, probably that wouldn't have the mount. So I got my own helmet. So we're all ready, good to go. Payment has been done. Let's go. Yeah, boy! क्या मजा आ रहा है यार. Oh my god. OMG. OMG. Lovely, beautiful roads. सांस लेने में तो दिक्कत तो हो रही है बॉस. It's a little bit. The air is really thin. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Whoa, man! Woo-hoo! Look at that! Look at that view up ahead! Woo-hoo! Beautiful! Oh my god, man! Oh my god, I have tears in my eyes. I literally have tears in my eyes. Whoa! Next level. Next level. Woohoo! Next level, yaar. Oh my god! Oh my god. I'm literally crying right now, yeah. I have tears in my eyes. I can't express, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so emotional right now. Oh. I don't think so you'll be able to understand if you don't ride. Those who ride will know exactly what I'm going through right now. Oh my god, what a beauty, yeah. What a beauty. Guys, I'm so emotional at this moment. I'm so emotional. I can't describe the emotions that I'm going through right now, man. This experience is so... Oh my god, yaar. Look at that. I have tears in my eyes right now. I literally have tears. इतना सुंदर कैसे हो सकता है यार कोई. Beautiful, yeah. Beautiful. Highly recommend everyone who's a biker to come to Leh Ladakh. You will enjoy this, man. You will seriously enjoy this. There's no two ways about it that you won't enjoy this. मज़ा आपको आना ही आना है यहाँ पर. Pride of the nation. Welcome to Sangam from Kuntus. So this is the rafting place.
क्या कर रहे हो? ब्लॉग बनाने वाले हो?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Forward. Guys, watch it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, stop. Relax. Balance. Okay, relax. Okay, relax. Balance. Balance. Okay, come on, lock your foot. Come on. Go. Okay, stop. Okay, stop!
Alright guys, so we just finished our rafting and we came in from there and we came in from there, I think so, yeah. So this is the Indus river that is flowing from top, and that is the Zanskar river, and this goes towards Pakistan. So what an experience it was. What an experience. Look at the weather out there. Weather is absolutely amazing. And the water was about 2 to 3 degrees. I did not have the courage of entering the water, but my friends did. They went into the water and had an amazing time. It was super cold. About 2 to 3 degrees, the temperature of the water. There's an illusion that the slope is like this, but even if a bike is on neutral, the bike goes ahead. So that's an illusion. But actually the slope is like this. But आपको दिखता है कि slope ऐसा inclined है. Illusion है. It's an illusion. But actually the slope is downwards. Alright guys, so we have taken a pit stop at this location. And it's called Iga Bakery and Bistro. That's a Marshall Dava. Entire group is over here. Alright guys, so we have taken a quick pit stop to have a lunch. Take a look at this view from where I'm sitting. Damn, insane view, man. This is spectacular, yeah. This is next level. You guys have to come to Leh Ladakh and experience this. No TV can do justice to the actual footage what you're seeing. The view that is there in front of me is unreal, man. Next level. So I've ordered for some chicken thukpa and I've ordered for some veg momo because chicken momo is not available. So I said let me try the veg momo. I'm simply loving this place here. Loving this place. In fact, I want to come every year to this place. You know, once every year, I have to visit this place. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Definitely a must visit for all bikers. Those who ride must definitely come and experience this. So we have a man, Dava, over here. Dava is a marshal and he's a guide. So we follow his instructions. Dava, how long have you been doing this?
7 years.
7 years.
Yes.
Wow. 7 years he's been doing this. this Gurudwara. Let's go and see. Probably get some langar food. जाना नहीं जाना है? मैं कभी गया नहीं हूँ गुरुद्वारा. So we are over here at Gurudwara Shri Patthar Sahib, Indian Army, proud of serving the nation. Gurudwara Shri Patthar Sahib. Just look at that view up ahead, man. Fantastic. And I think it's going to rain. It's drizzling right now. And the Gurudwara is over there. So few of the riders have gone on top. I've decided not to go because then you have to remove the shoe, you have to wash your feet and all before you go up there. Just look at the sky up ahead. Wow. Just wow, man. And when you're riding with a group ना तो और मजा आता है ऐसा like सब लोग हैं ना साथ में तो बहुत मजा आता है. The good thing is that the vibe of our entire group is kind of matching, you know. तो मजा आ रहा है सब लोग को. Beautiful यार. क्या व्यू है. ओ हो भाई साहब अलग लेवल. Next level है boss. Oh my god, look at that view. Oh, look at that sky over there. Unbelievable, yeah, unbelievable. So we're going back to the hotel right now. हमारा Secmol का visit रह गया. Secmol is that place where Three Idiots was shot, the school. तो वो रह गया है. पता नहीं शायद ये दूसरे दिन ऐसा कुछ करेंगे.